Hey YouTubers, my name is Warner. I'm going to be showing you how to fix your TV screenshots. So let's take a look at our the show we want to fix here. And today I'll be fixing New York Undercover. Um, I believe one of these seasons was showing me. This is what we want to get to. We want to see pictures on the show. See if I can find a bad example here. So as you can see, seasons episodes 1 through 3, I've got pictures there, and the rest of the episodes is just this standard snippet, which we don't want. We want a picture that fits the description. So I'm going to show you a secret here. Right now, when you go in here and go on the poster, you just have that one snippet, right? So to fix that, what you can do is come up to the three dots next to your show, next to the season there. Click Analyze. All right, and you'll see the magic tool going through the shows. Um, Immediately, you can click on the pencil on the show there. Click on poster, and now you've got your screenshot. So once you have that selected, go ahead and click Save Changes, and then repeat the process for the rest of your snippets. So now when I go into the show, I've got a nice picture to go with the description here. So that is all. That's all you have to do. It's a simple fix, and I hope it helps you. Have a blessed day.